Okay, so we have our vocabulary, which says that we have to draw the red X on the vocabulary puzzle piece that doesn't belong. So you have the word product, multiply, groups of, times, and distributive property. Okay, so we're looking at all these, and I'm looking here, and I know that product means to multiply. So I know these two go together. I also know that multiply means time, so I know that goes together. And I also know that they go together because when I see them in word problems, I know that they mean to multiply, or they're keywords that I would highlight to help me determine what operation I'm using. And then I see groups of and distributive property. Well, I know groups of mean that I'm going to be multiplying two, and then distributive property, you multiply in it, but there's also addition in it too. So my X, I'm going to put over distributive property because it's the one that does not belong with those words, because all these other ones, times, multiplying, groups of, tell me they're keywords and word problems that tell me to find the product, which means to multiply.